Ethereum name service domain owners received as high as 5 figures in US dollar value in the form of an ENS token airdrop recently. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, recently stated that ENS is perhaps the most successful non-financial application on Ethereum. Now that I have your attention, here's what today's video will focus on. Questions like, what is ENS? How does it work under the hood? And how can you get involved today? Before we jump in, if you want to learn more about the blockchain, crypto, Web3, decentralized finance, and NFTs, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'd love to welcome you to the growing team. Now, let's go ahead and jump in. In order to understand ENS, let's briefly describe how Domain Name Service, or DNS, works. When interacting with the internet, you can type in a domain name like youtube.com in your browser address bar. Hit enter and boom, youtube.com appears. Behind the scenes, web browsers interact through IP addresses, and it's DNS's job to translate youtube.com to an IP address that a browser can understand and process. Now, ENS is a distributed and open naming system similar to DNS. An Ethereum cryptocurrency address is 42 characters and hexadecimal, not very human readable. Just how DNS maps youtube.com to an IP address, ENS maps human readable names like bob.eth to your 42 character hexadecimal Ethereum address. ENS can do a lot more, like importing your DNS domain, and I've included links under additional resources for those who are curious. Now, ENS has similar goals as DNS, but has a different architecture and different capabilities as it's built on the Ethereum blockchain. So, how does it all work under the hood? ENS has two important components, the registry and resolvers. The registry consists of a single smart contract which maintains all domains and subdomains and stores the owner of the domain, the resolver of the domain, and the caching time to live, or expiration date for domain records. A registrar then would be a smart contract that owns a domain and follows the rules set out in the contract. ENS domain owners can adjust the caching time to live and transfer ownership of domains and subdomains. The second important component, resolvers, are tasked with translating names like foo.eth into an address. Thus, the resolution of a domain name in ENS is a two-step process. First, ask the registry smart contract what resolver to use, and second, ask the resolver to provide the answer for the address. In reality, interacting with human readable names can be inefficient, so there are some technical details. I will provide a link under additional resources for those who are interested. How can you get involved with ENS? The question everyone's been waiting for. First, you'll want to make sure you have adequate Ethereum. Gas fees are currently expensive. Next, let's take a MetaMask as an example. You can navigate to app.ens.domains and search for the .eth you want. Connect your MetaMask, select the period you want to register for, and confirm the transactions. Boom. You are now an ENS domain holder and can set it as your primary domain as well. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you enjoyed this. Until next time.